Well, there's a lot of activity at the swarm box today. Look at all these bees that are here. Hey, they're really liking this place. If you watch them fly, a lot of them are flying around in circles. And that's how they get their orientation. That's like setting their compass so they know where they're at. So they can come back, or they know where they're at here. And Maggie, get out of there. You stay away from the bees. But yeah, looking kind of promising here for a potential swarm. If there isn't already a small swarm inside. Look at them all. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this. I like watching them come and go. It's interesting. Bees are so fascinating. I may have to open it up tonight and look inside there and see if there's a swarm inside see if they've got any of the frames filled out. See how many bees are in it. What I'll do is I'll watch it tonight, because if there's a swarm, if there's a queen that's gone inside the box, and this is a small swarm, any of the bees that are foraging are going to be out collecting nectar and stuff, and they're going to come back. All the bees that are out flying around gathering food are going to come back and fly in this hole tonight. So if I sit here tonight and I watch bee after bee after bee come flying in and going in the hole, and they go in there and they stay in there, that's going to tell me that there's probably a colony of bees inside. But yeah, if the swarm isn't here now, it's going to be coming, because there's a lot of bees here right now. Yeah, there's a dozen just flying around outside, and then there's another dozen at least or more inside or on the outside of by the entrance that I can see. Yeah. So yeah, it looks like they're really favoring this thing. A good possibility for a swarm to come in. They're just floating around out here, checking it out. They're having fun. It's kind of like their playground. Well, there's one that had some pollen. If I see them start taking pollen in, then that tells me they're taking pollen and nectar in, and they're building a nest. Queen starts laying eggs, they got to have pollen to mix with the honey to make bee bread, and that's what they feed to the larvae to let them grow. They mix pollen and honey and enzymes, and they break it all down and they make bee bread. And that's what they feed the eggs and the larvae. When the eggs hatch, they turn into little maggot larvae, and they feed them that bee bread. And until they get big enough, then they cap it off. They cap the cell off, make a little cocoon, and then it turns into a pupa, where it develops its legs, its wings, its head, eyes, antenna, everything, and then it emerges as a new bee. A newbie. So, boy, a lot of them around right now. They're all over the place. Here, I'll zoom back. Look at them all. And I'm only a couple feet away from them. They're not going to bother me. They're preoccupied with checking this new potential home out. So yeah, things are progressing here with my swarm trap. And it's looking promising. If there's not a swarm in there, I would say probably in the next couple days there will be one inside that box. And that's my guess. So we'll keep you updated and we'll let you know. When that happens, we'll do some more video. So hey, I love you guys. Thanks for your support. And hey, save the bees. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.